And Yakub.
Swing Fling 2019 still, yes.
So we had just like this concept about putting your focus somewhere specifically and just see where it like brings you dancing. So the first exercise we did it alone, which was just first like lead your movement from one body part. So like for instance the shoulder, and you just see how your shoulder can lead your body into something. The second thing was just move the way you want to move and putting just your focus on where this part is in the space and what is doing in a way. The third one was like the link between two parts that you can have. So for instance, like the two wrists and how they interact with each other when you've got like some negative space around, or if it gets like more tension because it gets closer, and just see what you can create. Then we came together in couple to explore first like the look outside. So putting like your focus just and be curious about what's happening in like different parts of the room and just see how your movement would be shaped by it. Then we did
The same thing in your body, just first focusing on your own part, then we switched to the partner's part, and then we created a link between them.
yes. So for instance, I can be just like curious about my leader's shoulder and just putting my focus in there. Then I can maybe like link my shoulders to him and like see what it creates. It can be like the hips, for instance, and see how like those two can interact with each other. And we had also closed eyes that we didn't experience, but highly recommend it to find like new sensations.
It didn't have to be the same parts at the same time. It could be also different exercises that you will focus on as lead as a follower while doing the same dance. It was the goal of the class was to put you like into more exploring worlds and see where your body can take you naturally, rather than like putting the styling on top of your dancing. And also for me just to ease the mind from doing the pattern or be stuck in the not creating too much or not enough, and trying to just ease it in a way that you can just focus on something different and it might just happen by itself. That's it.
So thank you guys.
Thank you very much.